Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add music on Facebook profile. So let's get started. Begin by opening your Facebook application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then tap on your profile icon. Then tap on Edit Public Details option. Scroll down to the bottom of your screen. Then tap on Edit Your About info. Scroll down until you find Music option. Tap on Add Music option. Then tap on the plus sign at the top right corner of your screen. Now search for the music or artist. Now select the music. And this is how you can add music on Facebook profile. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.